what's up? It's your girl Mo Flo, and this video is to show you how I wax my underarm. Pretty simple. I have the GiGi Waxing System. My underarms are already clean. I am going to clean over the hair. I don't even know what I'm picking up because there won't be any moisture. I haven't put deodorant on. I haven't been outside or anything. So now I need to let my underarm dry because you definitely want your underarm completely dry before you get started. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. If you think your underarm is a little wet or you sweat a lot, you want it dry. So I didn't quite give it enough time to fully dry. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this Mary Kay translucent powder underneath. Just to pick up any moisture left behind. These are already cut. You just need a wooden stick. I get mine from Sally's. It's like a double pack of these. I forget how many come in a pack. And then I also use the GiGi cloth. They're long, but again, I cut them into small sizes. You heat your wax up on high, but when it comes down to waxing, I move it down to medium. I don't want to tilt it too much, but see, my wax is hot. Okay. All right. I'm going to take my wax, get my arm ready. Smooth the wax off the bottom of the stick. You only want wax on the top. And then you get started. I hold my arm up. And I do small sections. The smaller, the better. Let me turn my wax back up. It's not as hot as I like it because it's low because I do my face on a little bit lower. I just did my lip. Take your strip. Put it on top of the wax. Now here's what I do, because you need to pull your skin tight before you pull the strip away. So my hair grows up. My hair grows up. So you want to pull the strip the opposite direction. So since my hair grows up, I'm going to pull up the same way my hair grows so I can snatch the strip down. Okay, you see that? Okay. Yeah, it hurts. I'm just used to it. Been doing it for years. Maybe 8 to 10 years, not sure. Okay, just move on to the next section. Small sections. Once you become good at it, it takes no time. I don't know why I let my hair get this long, because quarantine. Blow it if you need. And then go on to the next section. I have coarse hair, so sometimes I like to go down and then back up. I have really coarse hair. And I like to hold my head over, my arm over, just to make sure that I have it all tight. If you need to, if your underarm is wrinkly like mine, go ahead and grab your skin down and then place your strip. Okay. I will say this took some practice to be able to do your own underarm. Shaving was never a good option for me. With super coarse hair, I never got a good shave. All right, so I'm pulling my skin tight, 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 and then ripping it down. I'm laughing because when they see me do it, he just be like, yikes, ouch. All right, on to the next strip. Wax on the top of the stick. Oops, only if you get wax anywhere that it shouldn't be, baby oil or any oil. Oil takes off the wax. Ooh, that's nice and warm. Okay. All right. Pull your skin tight. Okay. All right, might be down to the last one. This little part of my skin is sensitive. I gotta pull it tight, make sure. This is the part of the arm where your arm creases down, so it's real creasy. So I'm gonna try to keep my arm up. Skin tight, pull both ways. Okay. And now my arm is clean. I'm gonna immediately follow it up with some oil I've made. Anyway, I put the oil there. Let that sit. And that's pretty much it. Wax my own underarm. Again, I had to start waxing my underarm because shaving for me did not work. God blessed me with really coarse hair all over my body. So shaving doesn't work for me. I have to have my hair removed. That's it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of the other arm. Have an amazing day. Thanks for watching.